welcome to Stay Healthy with Susan. Thank you for being here. Today I would like to share with you a few movements that are very helpful to release any tension in the shoulders, in the neck, and the upper spine. So these are the areas that a lot of us have a lot of tension, pain, discomfort, and it's because of our posture. Because we're sitting down on the computer, sitting down in the car when we're driving, or just walking with having not a very good posture. Instead of walking with our shoulders back and down, we are rounding our shoulders forward, and then our head is also coming forward. So keeping this posture for a long period of time is what causes all that pain and stress in the neck and shoulders. So let's do some Qigong. So Qigong for health. This is what we're going to focus about, Qigong for health. Qigong is all about moving and shifting those blockages of energy that get stuck in different parts of our body. So let's start with the neck, and then we move to the shoulders and the spine. So first what we're going to do is full circles with the head. I want you to go slow, really paying attention to what is happening in your neck, in your shoulders. And when you get all the way down here, let's switch to the other side. Relax the shoulder, take deep breaths. Let's do one more here. And when you come all the way down, let's go up, all the way back, and all the way to the front. We breathe in to the back. We breathe out to the front. We keep those shoulders down the entire time. Listen to your body. If you feel any pinching, any pain, just do maybe a less range of motion. You don't have to go too far back. And now we are going to go to one side and the other. So the ear comes to the shoulder, and then the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Continue, relax the rest of your body. Allow this movement to open the blockages of energy that have been there for a long time. And now come back to center. Let's move to our shoulders. So let's start doing shoulder rolls to the back. And let's use your whole body. So as you see, I'm bending the knees, I'm bending and moving my hips, my elbows are helping, and slowly start moving your entire body. Breathe in, breathe out, and make the movement even bigger. Really go back and down, forward. Kind of using your entire body. And when you come to the back, you're going to move forward, same thing. But allow your body to guide you with the movement. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Let's keep going. 2 more. Breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, and back up. Now let's bring your arms, elbows, bending the elbows, shoulder level. And we slowly are going to do movements of opening and closing, keeping the arms at shoulder level, up and down. This movement is helping your neck and shoulder areas. It's going to allow more range of motion, a better range of motion, because a lot of these muscles are also connected. And now we're doing circles. Circles to one side. Don't hold your breath. And then the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. And last one here. Bring your arms down. And now let's do a full circle with one arm and the other. So you want to twist the body, look behind you, look the arm that is going back and front, kind of follow your hand, swing your whole body, and let's do the other direction, to the back and the other. Follow it with your head, follow your hand, all the way back, all the way down, and the other, and this one. Keep going. And one more. Wonderful. Bring both hands, put it right on your shoulders. And now we are going to do circles, one side and the other, to the front. And to the back. Now we're slowly feeling more relaxed, less tension in that area. Bring your arms back down. Now let's focus on the upper spine area. So bring your arms back up, elbows bended, shoulder level, and slowly twist side to side. And on this one, let's keep facing forward, our bodies facing forward, chest facing forward, only moving the arms side to side. This is great for the upper spine. Breathe in, breathe out. Wonderful. And now we are doing full circles with the arms up and down. Bend the knees as you go down. Again, we are looking at both hands, going down and moving up. One more circle. And then we switch to the other side. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Last one, and come back down. Wonderful. So how do you feel now? Do you feel less tension, less pain, less stress? So keep that in mind. Throughout your day, how is your posture? How are your shoulders? Try to keep your shoulders down so your neck, your spine should be all aligned. We shouldn't be here, we shouldn't be here, we shouldn't be here. Bring everything back and down. So focus on that. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know how you liked it. Subscribe to my channel, Stay Healthy with Susan. And I hope to see you on my next video.